In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Google Analytics in Google Workspace in just 5 minutes. This is a vital tool for anyone looking to gain insights into their website's performance and user behavior. Let's get started on how you can activate it for your business. First, navigate to Google Workspace. You can do this by simply opening your web browser and entering the URL for Google Workspace. Once you're on the home page, the next step is to click on the Admin Console. This is the hub for all administrative activities, where you'll manage settings for your organization's Gmail, Google Drive, and of course Google Analytics. After you click on the Admin Console, you'll be prompted to log in. You'll need to use your business email for this. Make sure it's the one associated with your organization's Google Workspace. Once you've entered your email, click Next. It's as straightforward as logging into any other Google service. Once you've successfully logged in, pay attention to the upper right-hand corner of your screen, where you'll find the Google Apps menu. It's easily identifiable by a grid of small dots. Click on this menu to open up the suite of tools available within Google Workspace. Now look for the admin icon. It should be prominently displayed among the other app icons. Click on it and you'll find yourself in an environment where you can control various settings and features of your Google Workspace. Next, you'll need to direct your attention to the Apps section. Clicking on Apps will show you the various applications and services you have available to manage. Within this section, you should spot an option for additional Google services. Click on it, and you'll see a variety of additional tools and services that Google provides beyond its basic offerings. Scroll through these services until you find Google Analytics. It's the service we're here to activate today. Once you've located it, click on Google Analytics. You're almost there. Now you need to turn on the service status. This is crucial because it activates Google Analytics for your entire organization, allowing everyone with the appropriate permissions to access it and gather useful data. Finally, once you've toggled the service status, don't forget to hit that save button. It's always good practice to save your changes to ensure everything is set up correctly and securely, and that's it. You have now successfully turned on Google Analytics within your Google Workspace. By following these simple steps, you've unlocked valuable insights into your website's performance and user behavior. Thank you for watching, and enjoy all the benefits that Google Analytics has to offer.